Top online business to start in 2020. By the end of this video, you're going to learn the top online business to start in 2020 and why you should take action now. Hello, my name is Mark Daniels, a factory worker turned entrepreneur over 10 years ago. My life right now is absolutely blessed, but it wasn't always like that. I was confused, overwhelmed, and frustrated, all because I wanted to be an entrepreneur. And that did not happen until I met my mentor. Actually changed my life dramatically. So I created this channel to separate hope from hype, illusion from confusion, and people are getting desperate to get the right information. And this is what this channel is all about. So if you are an entrepreneur who is looking for the right answers to make a difference in your life, this is the channel for you. All you have to do is subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification button so you can get the latest information. Hello, Mark Daniels here. We're going to be talking today about top online business to start in 2020. Now, this information is going to be based on actual facts. I'm going to show you some statistics, and I'm going to show you how the world is actually changing, and a lot of changes are going to be taking place in the next few years. So hold on to your hats and let's go ahead and get started. Now, as you can tell, according to AOL, half of all the jobs today will disappear by 2030. And to be exact, that's about 30 billion jobs are going to be gone. You're not going to see them again, even if you are employed. And I'm going to show you a little bit why in just a little bit. Now, according to CNBC, they're talking about 20 million jobs of those by 2030. They're going to be going basically to robots, and I see it all the time. Things are getting replaced by machines. So let's go ahead and get moving here. I just want to let you know here that a lot of things are changing in this world, and basically this is based on Chess Media Group, and all this is gonna relate to the things that I'm going to show you as far as what kind of jobs are going to be in demand in the next years to come. Basically, you'll give you an idea of what to think about as far as what kind of jobs you need to get. Basically, the future employee is not going to be looking any close to the employees that we know now. Things are going to be changing a lot, but I'm just going to let you know so you'll be on the know and you'll be able to start taking actions, because if you don't, someone else will be taking action, and then what happens? Basically, you'll be left behind. Now, in no particular order, I'm going to go ahead and talk about some things that are important. Now, you can go ahead and start your own business as far as part-time, full-time. Now, affiliate marketing, in case I'm going to talk about it in a little bit, it's part of online marketing industry. The online marketing industry is a $46 billion industry. Now, what is online marketing? I'm talking about affiliate marketing. Think about real estate agents, for example. Real estate agents, they don't own the properties that they are selling. They market the property, and then when they sell that property, they receive a commission. It's the same way online. You basically have an affiliate program. They give you an affiliate link. You market that product, people buy it, whether it's physical or non-physical, and then you get paid. Now, it's up to the company. It ranges anywhere between 40, but the majority is about 50% up to 80% of the sale of the product. Whatever the price of the product, you would receive 80%, for example, or 50%. Now, affiliate marketing is on the rise. Based on study by Business Insider, affiliate marketing is about $14 billion and growing by a minimum of 10%. Currently, it's one of the largest money-making opportunities on the internet, and there is a reason why it is. Because number one, it's a low-cost startup because you are not selling your own product. You are selling someone else's product. You are selling their product. You're not making that product. You don't need to create the product. You don't provide any customer service. You don't need a merchant account, because that could be a big headache to qualify. That you can work from anywhere. And then I'm going to show you some examples later on about a friend of mine. He's actually doing that. You can create residual income. In other words, this is what I have done. I have done years back. I started with residual income. Basically, I started selling products based on residual income. I'm still getting paid on some things that I have done 2 or 3 years ago. It depends. Now, number 7, I did highlight it because it's very important. You can create multiple sources of income, or MSI. 86% of all millionaires have at least 3 sources of income before they made their first million. I can attest to that because it is very well true, and most of them have more than 3. What's also good about it and what's attracting people to it is that you can automate the whole process and then you can do it 100%. Now, a lot of companies right now, I can't say that 2 or 3 years ago. Now, most companies have affiliate programs. I'm going to go ahead and provide you with a free course and you'll be able to have access to it. It's provided by the #1 ClickBank affiliate. His name is Robbie. He's going to teach you about 3 secrets that he uses. It's an in-depth type of a course. Now, number 2, we're going to talk about freelancing. It's a $1.4 trillion industry. A lot of the workers right now, by the year 2027, most people will not be working for companies. They'll be doing the work as a freelancers for company. As you can see right here, it's going to be 86.5 million people performing the work from their home. There's 2 major platforms. One of them is called Fiverr. The other one is called Upwork. What kind of thing that you need to sell? So what I did, I pulled up the top highest paying skills. The best thing that you can do and the easiest thing, even if you don't have any experience at all, is basically marketing. Marketing skills are probably the easiest thing to learn. You can take course or 2 courses and get some experience. Now, if you take a look here, and that's what I would recommend, Facebook marketing, it's about $95 per hour on average based on a study that has been done by Upwork. E-learning, according to Forbes, e-learning is climbing to $325 billion by year 2025. You can take advantage of it by creating a course. Now, there are different ways where you can create your own course. One of them is Skillshare. Let's go ahead and go to Skillshare because a lot of people think creating your own course, technical or teaching something that is complex. I'm talking about something that is basically a hobby of yours. So let's go ahead and just go to Skillshare, and I just put in makeup. You can see how many 145 results just for makeup. They have almost everything. There's a storytelling. There's different things that you can take advantage of. It doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't really matter as long as you're passionate about it. Now, Skillshare is one of them. Teachable is something else. Teachable, and that's what I would recommend you to do, because Teachable is a little bit of a different platform because they want you to succeed. And I'm going to tell you here in a little bit how to advertise. Now, Teachable is a great source because they want you to succeed because you are paying them, and they want to make sure to provide you with a lot of resources as well. And they also do some advertisement for you as well. Their prices is very, start at $29 a month. So it's not really expensive at all. You can take advantage of it. Now, the last one I want to talk about is Udemy. I'm sure a lot of people know Udemy. I'm not going to go to the website because it's one of the platforms where you can actually create your own type of course. Again, you could be familiar or you have a passion of anything. It really doesn't matter. The one that I probably recommend the most is a Skillshare because you have a little bit more control. But if you don't care about that, you just want to just put your name out there, you can use the other 2, or you can use all of them at the same time, or at least maybe 2 of them. Now, this is all I have here for you, and I'll see you in a second. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please go ahead and support this channel by dropping a like, subscribing, and make sure to hit that notification button so you'll be the first to know. I did mention about advertisement in my video. And the advertisement that you can do basically are on Facebook, Google, and some other platform that I'll probably talk about in future videos. So make sure to stay tuned, and I will see you guys at the top.